How to export video in After Effects. Let's get into it. With your project open, go up to File, go down to Export and choose Add to Render Queue. Within the render queue, I'm going to keep my render settings as best settings, and I'm going to go into the output module right here. Within here, I'm going to keep my format as H.264. However, there are a bunch of different options that you can play around with here. Video output, I'm going to have my channels as RGB, my depth as millions of colors, and my color as pre-multiplied matted. I'm next going to go into the format options window. I'm going to keep my encoding settings as hardware encoding. For my bitrate settings, I'm going to set this to 30. The lower the number bitrate, the lower the quality of your video. The higher the number bitrate, the higher quality of your video. I will set some guidelines of this in the video description to better explain this for your projects. So with that all set, I'm going to choose OK, and then I'm going to choose OK again. And then the final thing we need to configure is the destination path. So let's click into here. This is going to open up either your Finder or Windows Explorer window, and then all you need to do is give your video a name, somewhere to live, and then you can just click Save. With all of that done, we can go ahead and click the Render button in After Effects, and After Effects will start rendering out your video. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below. And for more Creative Fix tutorials, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.